I'm very excited today because guess what I have, Anna?
What, Tina? I'm
We haven't
excited.
done this in, let's say, a minute or two, but I've got. It
Your Japan box
did!
came
I'm
in.
so excited. So,
Amazing.
everyone who knows, I pre opened it because I do not like opening stuff on camera. I don't like ripping in stuff.
You don't like the additional
Yes.
pressure.
And it cuts into our recording time. So, whatever. Anyway, I'm really excited to share this with everybody. So I'm not gonna lie, I did get a little sneak peek, but Anna has not seen this yet. So this is gonna be a big surprise for her as well. But let's get going. Oh, I always forget this now. Welcome to Full Decreased and Crumpled. I'm Tina. And
And I'm Anna. And today we're opening
thank
Tina's
you.
Japan box.
So let's start. So there is 1, 2, 3. So let's say there's about 6 items in here. Not bad. Let's start with the first one, the smallest to the biggest. Boom. This here is in Unicorn. It looks like an eraser to me. Let's see if I could show it here. It doesn't, you know what I think it is? I'm going to open it right now because I thought it was already open, but I guess not. But you know what I think it is? I think it's one of those things where it's an eraser and then the top here is a roller that rolls and picks up the eraser scraps. Do you remember having
A 2-in-1.
I remember
never
seeing
had
this
one
as
of
a
those.
kid and never understanding what it was. And now I think I get it. And guess what? Did I not say I should pre-open everything?
We'll just
Obviously.
cut this part out, Tina. You need an X-Acto
Yeah,
knife or
an
an
alpha.
knife or something with you.
Someone's bringing that into the conversation our way.
I may have a product or two from that brand. Olfa, sponsor us.
All right, so here we go. I'm sorry about that. So this is the top and it rolls. I don't know. Here we go. Let's see. Rolling. Okay. So this part. Oh! It pulls out. Look at this. Boom. It is an eraser. Look how big this eraser is. Oh, it smells like grape. It looks.
Scented products.
Don't eat
Nice.
it. It's not edible, people.
So, can you confirm that wheel thing is like an eraser?
Let's try it. I have pieces of paper here. I'm just going to do a quick little eraser job. And then I'm going to... Oh, it is. I'm not very good at finding my camera. See all the pickups there? It's not as great as the car that we have, the eraser pickup.
Is it Midori? That one?
The
I
car.
don't remember the brand.
Why don't you find out for us? But yeah, and this also comes out too, so you can clean it out.
Oh, it just says mini cleaner too. And I need to.
But yeah, so this is really cute. And then when you're done, you just put it back in here. Cap it in. Boom. An eraser and a cute little eraser picker upper. I remember having seeing these as a kid. So that's the first one. Cute.
Okay. Moving on. Item number 2.
It doesn't have a name for it, but it's 0.5 millimeters. And it has a cute little bunny on top. And watch, when you click it down, the bunny disappears.
Cute.
Show it Anna now too, so she can see.
That's
so yeah,
adorable.
It's 0.5 millimeters. Oh, it's brand new. It has a little gel tip up there. I'm gonna try this baby out. Ooh, it writes in pink. It's actually not bad.
I like colored pens.
Here.
This crumpled piece of paper,
did.
did it come in the
I'll
reduce, reuse,
well,
recycle.
that and also because there is like something in there that I want to write on after. So I just thought instead of wasting paper, I'm just gonna wait till I get it. You know, wait till I get there and then you'll see.
Yeah.
So this other thing here
What's next?
is it took me a while to figure out what it is. But this is all Japanese items. So the majority of them have Japanese writing in it. So I don't really know what it is. So it's kind of like a guessing game, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But what I think this is there's a hidden bear, avocado, and a cat paw. Okay? Because you can see it up there. Then there's a pencil at the bottom here with the cat paw. So my guess is you stick a pencil in there and it pops up. Oops, it just came out. I have a pencil and I think you just, is it like this?
Oh, cute.
I mean, or is it like this? Sorry.
Like it's basically. So is it a toy or is it an accessory
Yeah,
for your
because like
pen or pencil?
if you look at the thing here, it looks like it's telling you to put the pencil like that.
Oh my goodness! I feel like kids would get detention
It's like
for playing with those in class.
it's almost like a toy to me. It's just a little bear going in and out, like, you know.
You like it looked like you got good distance on that first.
It's flown somewhere. It's okay. But I think you can also probably just like the eraser end, just put it in like that maybe and just have it out.
Okay.
I think it's just a cute little novelty thing. I wonder if it's an eraser too. No.
If it's something different in the comments, let us know. If you know what this is, let us know.
Because right now I'm just gonna assume it's a pencil, like a toy. Yeah.
Lid.
I lost my avocado, so that's that. Anyway, it's somewhere there. Moving on. Now, this I'm excited about. You see unicorn, you can see a heart. If you can guess what this is, let me know at the bottom, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty obvious to most. These are flake stickers. So why they're called flake stickers is because it's not obviously in one sheet, it's just one piece. So here's a shark. It's cute. And here's the little corgi with bread.
So is it safe to assume, Tina, that when you want to use a sticker, you have to peel off the backing, correct?
So that's all.
Ocean
Okay. So this one here is called Cheese Mochi Panda. Hashtag Mochi Pan, hashtag favorite. And it looks like it's a little booklet with a little panda that likes to eat. Sounds like me. And in the booklet, it's all in Japanese. Every single piece. They do have some parts where it says like members' profiles. So I feel like this is more for younger kids. I mean, I think as an adult, if you got something like this, you can change it up and turn it into whatever you want. Like an address book, you know? Just...
I wonder if its original purpose is, like, if it's related to an animated series that we don't have here.
That's a good question. I mean, that's a good assumption. They do have Mochi Pan, a Twitter, and it has a QR code in the back of the book. So maybe we can check that out later.
Oh, yeah, we can scan that.
But it's got free, like it does have a little bit of English, like free space in the back. So then there's free space you can write. There's questions and answers. There's, you know, just a bunch of to-do.
So it's like an activity book.
Like they're all similar. They're all the same.
Very cool.
So this I think is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. The artwork on it, it's just really, really pretty. Mm-hmm. And this is what it is here. And it almost looks like, when you open it up, it looks like a little portfolio or a checkbook holder, or like, when I say portfolio, I'm thinking more like, your wallet. You could just slip like dollar bills in there, like, or you could stick your journal, like a mini calendar in there. You know those horizontal ones or vertical ones. You could put a lot of stuff in here. It doesn't really specify what it is. Again, it is all in Japanese here. So if anyone can be Japanese and like let me know, that'd be great. But it's really pretty, the artwork. And you can, yeah, stick stuff in here. So figured that out. So
You could probably file your receipts in there or something.
yeah, it's got gold
Very
specks
cool.
on there too that I never just noticed until now. It's really pretty.
That is really pretty,
Yeah.
Tina. Was that all of them, or is
There are
one more?
2 more things. I know.
2 more.
There are two notepads. Okay. One is like this, which is more of a mini one, but they're beautiful. It's got that gold shimmer to it. Look at this. The texture is like crepe paper when you feel it. It's got a little bit of rich in it. It's really pretty. But the thickness is like cardstock.
Nice.
Like almost,
I like how each page has a different flower as well.
like a different design. It's really pretty. It's stunning, actually, to be honest. I'm using this pen. Ooh,
Aloha.
that writes really nicely. Look at that. Oh, wow. The pink really comes through. So then this one is a little bit bigger. Oh, in the back of this, it doesn't have it on this one. So on the back of this one, it shows you that you can fold this. There's like a little instruction there. So I feel like you can make something with this. The top texture, again, is just like the other one. It feels like crepe paper. And even like the cover feels that way too. It's really pretty. And then when you open it up, it's really smooth in the back here. It looks like you can fold this in half and make a envelope.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay, when you were saying folding, I'm like, fold the whole pad?
Like that.
But right. Yeah, you can fold the paper.
So, oh my gosh.
That makes sense.
So it looks like, I'm gonna fold this in half. So it'd be like this. You know what I mean? I can even turn this like into a nice card if you wanted to.
That's what I was thinking. Absolutely.
Yeah, it's really pretty. I've never seen anything like this or felt anything like this, to be honest. Not here in Canada anyway.
Thank you guys for watching. Please let us know in the comments what other subscription boxes you think we should test out. And please like, share, and subscribe.